at sunset. Amazing, because such a good weather. We are stuck in traffic. Auckland traffic is not a joke. I didn't miss that. I just didn't miss the Auckland traffic. It's crazy. You here maybe in the harbor and you'll see how beautiful it is. Now we are going over the bridge. I was always scared to climb this bridge.
Use the right 2 lanes to turn slightly right to stay on State Highway 1. Continue on State Highway 1 for 12 kilometers.
So good. Go, go. Oh.
It's so clear to see.
It's a clear sky. Amazing.
Oh, shoot, I see it.
Can you?
Yes.
Yes.
But it's not clear.
Not as strong as the other one.
Go inside.
Go. Bye.
Want me to...
We are heading towards my old job. It's called Puhoi. And the place is called Puhoi Valley Cheese. I'm going to see my co-workers where I made cheese. And in the road, we will stop to not Waiwera, to Orewa Beach. It's beautiful. And after Orewa is maybe when we come back, or we go Puhoi, then Matakana. It's a beautiful, very coquette place. Then Omaha Beach. It's an amazing beach, and the sand is so white. And then when we come back, we may stop in Orewa and then go on the west side. So a beautiful day to seaside, north side of New Zealand. We just arrived in Orewa. It's a beautiful beach town around the north side coast of Auckland. So once that you cross the bridge is the North Shore area, and as you go further up, it's Orewa, Silverdale, new communities. Orewa, it's an older community, and around her it's built up more smaller community, and then you have the peninsula, which is the best, awesome. And I think we will be able to see the peninsula as we go to the beach. And I will show you the scenery a little bit. The housing here, they're a little bit expensive because you're right at the beach. And is that beach vibe. Like everything in New Zealand, housing-wise, it's on the upper side because it's such a beautiful country. We are going right now to the park a little bit. Give me your hand. Thank you. And leave kids to play a little bit. I will show you the beach side. Why not? Yeah, there is a very nice fish and chips shop here. If you wanna enjoy that. How cool is this park? The pigeon?
dog.
Uh-huh.
It's like a dog.
Bit of a park. Mommy, I'm going to show the beach side. You can stay here. Okay? Let me show you this. This beach is so vast and long. It's all you can see with your eyes. I tell you, it's way colder than Brisbane. The ocean here is way colder, but the vibe is amazing. When we lived here on the north side, we were always at this place. And let's see the sand. It's a little bit with lots of shells, and probably the water will be the same, if I remember well, with lots of shells around. So let's start from there. So if you go that way, there is the Whangarei Peninsula, I think it's called. I may be wrong, but I will check the map and see what's the name of that peninsula. My colleague and friend, she was living there in Red Beach. I was checking on my son just to make sure that he's good. But New Zealand and Orewa, it's pretty safe, so I'm not stressed. Yeah? Oh yes. He's saying that there is a kayak man on the beach, and you can see how calm it is. I'm trying to see what's the peninsula called. Whangaparoa. Yeah. So the peninsula on that side is called Whangaparoa, and then it's the Gulf Harbor. And if you go right at the bottom of that peninsula, the Gulf Harbor, it's a very strong green patch. Yes, you see he's doing kayak. It's so smooth, huh? Bye. The good part of Orewa Beach is that it's dog friendly. As you see, lots of parents with their puppies. With no problem, lots of puppies playing in the water. It's a beautiful place to enjoy your day. We loved this place. We loved it. I can't rave about it. When we will go, I choose to come on this side, and when we will go up the hill right there, we can stop and see the Orewa from the bottom. So there will be that stop and scenic route. We could have taken the tunnel, which we could have saved like 10 minutes usually, but I wanted to see the scenic route. So Orewa, it's beautiful. Well, it just started to drizzle a little bit, so let's hope we will get good weather. Just a little bit of clouds, not too bad, so hopefully it goes away. But in the meantime, we can go and have some lunch, so hopefully the weather will be staying put. I can see a little bit of rain on the lens, but I'm hoping the lens will stay. I'm hoping the rain will stay. I'm hoping the rain will stay at bay and we can enjoy our beautiful day. Did you fall, man? Look at your pants. It's okay. It's just sand. So beautiful. Okay, mister. Huh? Okay, I will push you. Let me clip this. Nice view in here, huh? Ooh. Do you? Yeah, the sunset here will be amazing, but unfortunately we'll...
You take a picture behind me.
Oh, yes.
At the sunset.
Yeah, that will be great.
Mike,
Mm.
you know what I'm thinking?
What you're
Oh,
thinking?
never mind. The baby, I wanted to do
Yeah, never mind. Good idea. Because we are in a... Yeah! Whee! Why is that you're reaching your face? It is. Selfie on. Go. Yay! Hotels and places to holiday. Entire main street in Orewa, it's built with tourists in mind. Like every place in New Zealand, I guess, and Australia, wherever it's a beach, there is a touristic opportunity. But this particular beach is beautiful because it's calm and the waves are not big. So it's not a great beach for surfer, but for paddling boards and smooth sailing kayaks. What did you discover?
goldfish.
No. You discover some goldfish here. Okay, let's go. Let's go and see the city a little bit. Everything where you go, there is a liquor shop around here. What? Black pepper, do you want to shop for clothes, mommy?
No.
Not bad
I brought
choice.
the name Black Salt.
Black salt. That's a different way to look at it. It's a restaurant. The Good Hub Eatery. I want fish and chips. Mommy, I want fish and chips. What do you want to eat? Huh? Ah, you have... What? Look at that view. You got some sand, maybe? Move and pick ice cream. It's so delicious. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting. The people here are just beautiful. New Zealand people are wonderful in general. Oh, they have beautiful cookies. I need to take you inside here. Let me show you something. This is a bakery. Let's see the... Look, an ice cream. Oh my God. We are coming here for desserts. Look how beautiful they are. Look at the bagels. Morning, morning. I just seen them from outside and I was like, oh my God, they look so good. We will come back after we eat. Let's see on the other side.
Ice cream more attractive.
Always, but I love that too. Look at the assortment, New Zealand, you make it. Shall we come to have some ice cream, mommy? Oh. Oh. Yum, and macaroons. Like, be serious. So just to tell you what are the prices around here. So this house with 4 bedrooms, it's $949, so almost $1 million house, 4 bedroom in One Tree Point, not on the beach, but close by. So what else? For sale, an older house, and what's the block?
This is very cheap.
It doesn't say. No, it's only to put a deposit of $10,000, Mama. And you can see the construction in the back. That's $630. Stop doing that, please. So that's not too bad, but it's a do-up house. So I guess you can find around 600, 700 houses, but you'll need to renovate. We couldn't find the pizza bread, but we came in the bakery in the Dutch shop. Let's see some European foods. Shall we take something for Sibi? That's nice. Ah, look, these are like in Romania, Dr. Utker. We always done that for Christmas. So good. No, because it will stink in the car. Look at this, Goudas. Beautiful.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Okay, we are having sushi.
This looks delicious.
What is it?
Real cheese, California.
Roll.
Real
I'm not
sour.
as fancy. So we may have some tempura prawns, fried sushi chicken. I may put some more sushi. Yeah. Yes, Mama.
You want?
Mommy, do you like this little town? You can't talk. But do your head, do you like it? You're like a piglet. Oh my God.
I'd rather be careful. It's okay.
Okay, answer me. Let me stop this. Okay, do you like New Zealand? Don't be silly and answer. They would like to know. Should they come in New Zealand or no? Where is silly? Keith.
Yes, you should come.
Why? Why do you think they should come? Huh? Tell them a reason. Don't be a dork. He's enjoying his coffee. Tell them, why should they come in New Zealand? What do you like in New Zealand?
House.
The houses?
Yeah.
Things what I miss in New Zealand are the people. They are so calm, they smile all the time, they are chilled, relaxed, and for me that matters. If you look around the waiters, and I'll turn it around, you will see everybody smiling and the waiters are coming to you and they serve you well, and it's just beautiful. I just love New Zealand people. That's my selling point. If you want to come and visit New Zealand, people are beautiful. Oh, that was close.
What?
Beautiful. See how far away you can go with the beach? You can take it home.
It's like a kiwi bird. But black.
But black, yes. Oh, come on, it's starting to rain soon. Come on. So it started to rain. We are heading back to the car very fast. Come on, man. Put this in your head. Go, come on. Woo! Starting to rain. Let's go. This is no fun. Come. Under the tree.
No, it's a better place. It's at the place.
We are closing. We are in the shelter. It's raining.
Look over there. Open by
You want to run to the car?
Sunny over there.
Do you want to fly?
We could.
Flying
Or we could stay here for a second until the rain goes away. Step over. Let's go through here. Come on, mommy, faster. You're good. Whew. Oh my.
place. There's a country called South Wales,
Yeah.
and there's New South Wales. They called it the New
South
South
Wales. Ah, I got it now.
Imagine it happened the same with New Zealand.
New Zealand? New Zealand.
Yes.
Got it. All right, so we are back in the car because it started raining like crazy. We got a little bit of a rain on us, but we are good, isn't it? We put some warm heat and we go back to Puhoi. Let's start the travel on the scenic route to Puhoi. Another beautiful stop on this beach. There you can find lots of cockles and seashells. It's a little bit more coastal. Yeah, so right now we are going right ahead towards Puhoi, and you see the scenery is quite wild and untouched. We loved this area. There are two roads. This is the scenic route, and you can go through the tunnel which cuts in the middle of the mountain. And as we go down, you'll see the Waiwera pools, thermal pools. Thermal pool right now in the second around the corner, and you will see them, but they are closed, unfortunately. Very good. So on the right here are the thermal pools, which they are closed, and this is the Waiwera area. Unfortunately, it's raining too much.
You don't gotta sing.
Huh?
You don't gotta sing.
I don't have to sing?
Yes.
Okay. It's raining too much for the camera to see anything. We are here
We're supposed to be in Auckland.
at the cheese place, but the cafe is closed. We can't do much. Found my stash. The best cheese in New Zealand. Puhoi Valley cheese. Yummy. The best. I miss this. Best cheese ever. Beautiful visit to the cheese factory. I love these people so much. They are my people, and it's such a beautiful team. And now we are going back to the pub. Let me take you to the pub and show you the beautiful place around here. Hello.
What's that device you got there?
It's a camera. It's a... See, you're there. It's a very small camera.
Oh, okay.
Come on, man. All right. So we just stopped at Puhoi Pub, and we are going to take you a little bit around here. This is beautiful.
Trading post.
Yeah, this
Anything to trade?
to trade. This was where the post and the mail was coming in the old times. It's
Have anything to trade?
like water for doggy. You want to trade something?
Yeah, sure.
Look at this. Oh my goodness, this is a beautiful
Want free Robux?
jacket.
Want free Robux? Go to
I love that.
StamWebsite.com to get your free Robux prize.
Okay, go inside. Go and see inside. Maybe you'll find something as a souvenir. Ah, rings. I really love these jackets. Countryside jackets made from
StamWebsite.com
blankets.
to get your free Robux prize.
Just stunning. Maybe countryside, some sage.
Robux prize.
Look at those horns and bull horns. Many countryside items. Look at our doors. Very old style. Hi. Sorry, don't get scared of me filming your beautiful items. Yeah, I won't film you. I will avoid you.
Want free Robux? Go to StamWebsite.com to get your free Robux prize.
Oh my god, look at this. This is gorgeous. So many jewelries. What do you think about this place, Katie?
Pretty good.
Isn't it? Look at this cowboy boots. But they are gumboots, cowboy boots. Exactly what I need in the garden. I can't believe you have gumboots, cowboy gumboots. That's so good. Amazing. Look at this. All right, let's go and see the pub. What is there? Let's go in the next one. The stable. We may go straight to Adelina or somewhere around there. You're not cold, Mommy? What? An axe?
No, it's not. It's not. It's not an ordinary axe. Come here, look.
Okay, I'm coming.
Come.
Wait. Oh, look at those hats.
Mike, come here.
They're so cute.
It's not an ordinary.
I'm coming. Very countryside. What's the picker? Oh no, it's a pizza. It's a pizza cutter.
Yes. It's a pizza cutter.
Haha. They're so beautiful.
Look at this.
The problem is that
Mike, look at this.
it's a fork. I don't know if we can take it in the airplane because we don't have a luggage, only handheld luggage. So beautiful. Papa, that's the pub, but you can enter to that side too. You're at the pub now.
What's the hubba?
That's the pub. Let's go inside. Oh, dining. I'm not sure. Here's the dining room. I'm not sure.
Is this real?
Yeah. Yes, it's a deer.
A real deer.
Yeah.
The nose isn't real, and the eyes aren't real.
Not really, but it's a
The
real.
fur is real.
Yeah, the entire thing is real, Mama. You just need. They've just.
Just adjusting something.
Yes.
Dining
Do
room.
you think we can go in dining room? Go inside. Oh. A little bit of the kitchen. Look how beautiful is this room. Wow, I forgot about it. Amazing, huh? Beautiful. Look at the saw. Now you're into the pub. Look how much money there everywhere. Try to find Romanian money. Look how much money they have. Oh, look, this is $5 from New Zealand. Different pictures from everyone all around the world. When I was here in the pub, Mommy, I was dressed in bohemian and I took a picture right there behind that pool. How beautiful is this? I was kidding, Mama. All right, look at this fish. Hello.
Oh, look at the jaw.
Oh wow, what is that? I'm not sure. That's a big jaw. Go? Ready to go?
What do you think? No, I want to go to Sebi.
Sebi won't be home until another hour, Mama.
I can wait an hour.
A little bit of a road tour here. So this is Warkworth. We lived here for about 2 years. I was working at Mitre 10. Just keep it straight on the streets, yes. Don't start that yet. Mitre 10 was just on the corner there. And there are some beautiful cafes around the corner here.
In 200 meters,
Such a
turn
beautiful
right onto
town.
Elizabeth Street, Twin Coast Discovery
Oh, do you want to
Highway.
see a big boat, Mommy? So we are just in front of the Warkworth Hotel and pub. And then on this side, it's a big block building which I never saw till now. Wow, I haven't been here for 7 years. But the amount of buildings, and look behind, like this was empty, just little houses and maybe some little restaurants. This is crazy. The cottages are still here, which is keeping the Warkworth vibe. I will take you to the river in a second, but this town is magic. At Pete and Mary's, our husband, Mommy, Tati worked on this cafe. Right in the back, yes. He was right there at that window. Yes, that cafe, hello. Yes, Mommy, but now and they have Atomic Cafe, exactly what Tati loves. Tip-top ice cream.
we saw.
Yes.
Tip-top.
Yeah, look at the stairs, Mommy.
So fancy.
Yes. How cool is the little village?
I just want to see Sebby.
Oh, you miss Sebby.
I miss Sebby.
I can take you to a beautiful bakery, though.
No, I want to see Sebby.
Okay, okay. We just see Warkworth and then we can go back, okay?
I
Just
just want to climb somewhere.
wanna climb somewhere? I don't know if it's a climbing place in here.
I know.
Or hello. Look at this. Now it's not as full. I never seen it so low. Mama, this was always full. This river was always full. Now is the first time I see the stones so low. And on the other side, it's a beautiful pub. We love this pub. I'm not sure where this road takes. I forgot. There should be a river underneath, a stream or something.
I just said, no, so you're allowed to come. You're allowed to come.
Oh,
It's so blue.
mm-hmm.
Oh, I just gotta pee.
Oh, you came here. You just see a little bit of
Let's go.
the city from the top. So we have to run a bit because Mr. Key has a toilet problem. The city has changed so much. When I was working in Warkworth, there were one main street, no big buildings at all, but now you have all these boutique shops, big 3-4 stories buildings which I never seen in Warkworth till now. Many real estate agency, because the house pricing are, I think, one of the most expensive houses in the world, and yeah, great tourist opportunities pretty much. And New Zealand is a beautiful place. It was affected by the COVID situation because New Zealand was in lockdown for almost 2 years and they didn't have tourists, but now that it's open to everyone, it's just free to come and you can enjoy a beautiful holiday. I will give my money for New Zealand. And the north side and the south side is beautiful country to visit.
A,
Yeah.
C.
What,
Guess what it stands for?
what does it stand
All
for?
those letters. What does those letters stand for?
Anzac. A. What does it stand for?
Australia.
N.
New.
Z.
Zealand.
Ah, okay. Australia, New Zealand. N.
A.
A.
Army.
Yes.
C. Corps.
Corp.
Australia, New Zealand. Army Corps.
Oh, cool. Got it. Where are the toilets? Here is the wall. Where are the toilets, you know?
Around the other side.
Okay. Go, found it. We found a playground, so Kit will be happy to do that for a sec. And then we can go to the boat, Mama. You see the boat there? Do you need help? Okay. Play a bit. You're cool. Just play a little bit, not too much. While Kit plays up, we can see the beautiful boat. I have never seen this river so low. It's very interesting. I don't know why. It's like a drought or something. Ah, there are couple of boats on the river. You could go on the lower pontoon too. The good part of Warkworth is that you have the promenade walk around the river, and then you have the restaurant sides. And you can choose, you can go on the restaurant and come back on the riverside. So this boat, I don't think they can go anywhere with this low level of water. Oh, duckies! I will show you the duckies. You will love them. Hello, duckies. They're just staying here and enjoying their day. Yeah. That means we will not go too far because we need to go back and see his friend, well, our friends.
And blue.
Yes, yes, hello.
No red.
No red, yes, it's no traffic, Mommy.
Okay, good.
Oh wow, this is so cool. Hi. Oh, I like the warmth. Let's go here. That's so beautiful. Oh, look at the fireplace. Oh, this is a place too. Look at that, Mommy. We may stay here forever. Don't go from here. Oh my God. This restaurant is so nice.
I feel like it isn't real.
This is coming the mountain right now, the hill. For people to see how much work they've done here. It's amazing the work they put into it. They cut straight in the middle. So beautiful. And now they have two roads to come in. Hey, watch gimbal up. Put the gimbal up a bit.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, rainbow!
Rainbow!
Woohoo!
Woohoo!
So good, Mommy. Mama, stop, please.
And look at the rainbow. I don't know if you can see it. Wow. It just appeared.